how to buy WLM hot token. So this token came under the symbol of WLM. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the update about this token. This is most important. Now to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. And as you can see, this token increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. That's good. And the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good again. And this means that your investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address as you can see. And remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet. And now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallets. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. Now after that, click on your token. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information and click on swap here to be able to relax it to Jupiter provider page to be able to complete the buy process. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or customize, and after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy WLM token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.